Hey tech lovers, welcome back to another new episode of Mobile Funda. Friends, if you are using the Note 13 Pro 5G or the Poco X6 5G, then this video is for you. I know that many users among you are eagerly waiting for HyperOS 3 update, and also some other models have started receiving this update. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you one such safe method by which you can get the HyperOS 3 update the earliest compared to normal users. So do not miss any step and watch the video till the end. Also, if you found this video helpful, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting such HyperOS videos in the future. Friends, let's talk about that safe method by which you can get the HyperOS 3 update as early as possible. First, we will talk about the Indian ROM. So if you are using the Indian ROM, follow this method. First, you have to go to your phone setting menu. Then come down and tap on the feedback setting. In the FAQ section here, you will see an option beta testing for stable Indian ROM. Tap on it. Then a message will pop up below. Is this information helpful? Tap on yes. Then you will see a link here. Tap on it. The MI Recruiter page will open up here, where you will find the Start tab at the bottom. Tap on it. Then agree. After that, in the first option, select yes, then next. Second, select yes, then next. Third, also select yes, then next. Fourth, here you select yes, I am 18 years old, then next. Then select yes and next. Then yes, I have read carefully, then next. Then select yes and next. Here also select yes and next. Then yes, I have read carefully and next. Now here you have to select your model. For example, Note 13 Pro users will click on Redmi and X6 users on Poco. And select your phone model. After that, it will ask you to input your MI ID. So paste it here. Then yes. So your MI beta testing recruitments will be applied here. However, one thing to remember, it is not a guarantee that you will surely get it. But if your luck is good and you are selected, then you will see the HyperOS 3 update earlier compared to normal users. Now let's talk about the global ROM. First, you have to download the MI community app, which you will easily find on Google. After that, open the app and log in with your MI account or Google account. As soon as the app opens, you will see the Me section at the bottom. Tap on it. After that, you will see some settings or options here, among which you will find an option beta testing. If you don't see this option, install the latest community app. And if you still don't see it, it means that your points are low or you are not eligible. So first complete the task options here and check again after 1 to 2 days. If this option appears, tap on it. You will see the Apply Now option or tab here. As you can see, mine shows passed, which means I have already applied. When you tap on it, you will see the same options that I showed in the first method. Just follow the same process. So you will be recruited as a beta tester here. And you will see the early HyperOS 3 update compared to normal users. By the way, have you already applied for beta testing or not? Do let me know in the comments below. So these were the two safe methods by applying which you can get the official HyperOS 3 update as early as possible on the Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then like this video and share it with your friends who use the above devices. See you in the next video with another new funda. Till then, keep exploring. Jai Hind.